Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between traditional tokens, like things on Ethereum or Solana or Avalanche, or Zano privacy tokens. So it's a huge difference. On Ethereum and other chains, your token transactions are totally traceable. Everybody in the entire world can see the balance of every address and every token that moves around. They know which token you're transacting in, how many of them you're sending, they know everything. Whereas on Zano, nobody knows what token you're transacting in, how many of them you're transacting. They don't know from what address, they don't know to what address, they don't know the amount. All they can see is that some sort of a transaction happened. They don't even know if it's a token or if it's for Zano itself. So that's very different than Ethereum or Bitcoin or anywhere else, where if a big transaction happens, it's for $1 million or something, everybody starts looking to try and figure out who is it from, who is it to, what are they paying for, what's going on, and all that information leaks out to the entire world. And that puts the people involved in that transaction in danger, right? Because now governments or private criminals can target those people for robbery or extortion or all sorts of bad things if they know that these people are cryptocurrency whales. That's a huge difference between Zano and traditional tokens. Even if you do everything right and you're just fine, maybe the person before you that received the tokens that sent them to you on a traditional chain, or the people you send them to after, have some sort of a problem and those tokens get linked back to you afterwards. That's a big problem. Whereas on Zano, every step of the way is not linked from the step before or the step after. You have total unlinkability between transactions on the Zano network. And again, the amounts are hidden on Zano, whereas in traditional transactions on other networks, everybody in the entire world can see exactly how much you're transacting in, and again, which token you're transacting in. On Zano, they don't know if you're sending $1 million worth of Zano or, $1 worth of Silent Pepe NFT tokens, right? They have no idea what token you're transacting in. And again, on these EVM chains too, you have to watch out for the miner extract value attacks where they can front run your transaction and basically steal money from you. On Zano, you don't have to worry about that at all because every transaction is totally untraceable, unlinkable, totally secure. The amounts are hidden. Everything's hidden from everybody else. So Zano token transactions are far more secure. If you're a fan of financial privacy and having privacy with your tokens and what you're doing with them, please share this video with your friends, like the video, and subscribe to our channel so that more and more people become aware of this. It really helps the algorithm and helps us spread the benefits of private cryptocurrencies like Zano to the world. And go and check us out over at zanolist.com. Thank you.